Namaste, dear readers. Today we will chant the Manasa Dvadasha Nama Stotra, 12 names of Manasa Devi from Prakriti Khanda of Brahmavaivarta Purana. Narayana Uvacha Uktam Dvayorupakyanam Brahmaputra Yathagamam Shruyatam Manasakyanam Yachrutam Dharmavaktratah. Narayana talks to Narada. He says, O Brahmaputra, O son of Brahma, Narada, I have already told you about the story of two goddesses according to the scriptures, Yatha Agamam, as it was given in the scriptures and the tradition. Now, listen to the story of Manasa, which was heard from the mouth of Dharma. Kanya Bhagavati Sacha Kashyapasya cha Manasi Teneyam Manasa Devi Manasa Yacha Devyati Manasa Dhyayate Yava Paramatmanamishwaram Tena sa Manasa Devi Yogenaitena Devyati Atma Rama cha sa Devi Vaishnavi Siddha Yogini Triyugam cha tapastaptva Krishnasya Paramatmanaha Jaratkaru Shariram cha Drishtva Yam Kshanamishwaraha Gopipatir Nama Chakre Jaratkaruriti Prabhu Vanchitam cha dadau tasyai Kripaya cha kripanidhi Pujam cha karayamasa Chakara cha punasvayam Swarge cha nagaloke cha Prithiviyam brahmalokatah Bhrisham jagatsu gaurisa Sundari cha manohara Jagat gauriti vikhyata Tena sa pujita sati Shiva shishya cha sa devi Tena shaiviti kirtita Vishnu bhakta tivaramya Vaishnavi tena narada Naganam pranarakshitri Janame jaya yajñake Nageshwariti vikhyata Sa naga bhagini tatha Visham samhartumisha sa Tena sa vishaharini Siddham yogam harat prapa Tena asau siddha yogini Mahajnanam cha gopyancha Mrita sanjeevinim param Mahajnanayutam tam cha Pravadanti manishinaha Astikasya munindrasya Mata sa vai tapasvinaha Astika mata vikhyata Jaratkaruriti smasa Priya muner jaratkaror munindrasya mahatmanaha Yogino vishwapujyasya Jaratkarof priya tatah Om Namo Manasayai Jaratkarur Jagat Gauri Manasa Siddha Yogini Vaishnavi Naga Bhagini Shaivi Nageshwari Tatha Jaratkaru Priya Astika Mata Vishahariti cha Mahajnanayuta chaiva Sa Devi Vishwapujita Dvadashaitani namani Puja kale cha yah pathet Tasya naga bhayam nasti Tasya vamshodbhavasya cha Naga bhite cha shayane Nagagraste cha mandire Nagakshate nagadurge Nagaveshtita vigrahe idam stotram pathitva tu muchyate natra samshayah nityam pathedhyastam drishtva nagavargah palayate. Dashalaksha japenaiva stotra siddhir bhaven nrinam stotram siddham bhavedyasya sa vishambhoktumishvarah nagaugham bhushanam krutva sa bhaven nagavahanah nagasano nagatalpo महासिद्धो भवेन्नरः इति श्री ब्रह्मवैवर्ते महापुराणे द्वितीये प्रकृतिखण्डे नारद नारायण संवादे मनसोपाख्याने मनसा स्तोत्रादिकथनं नाम पंचचत्वारिंशत्तमोऽध्यायः. Now let us discuss the Palashruti of this stotra. Dvadashaitani namani puja kale cha yah patet tasya nagabhayam nasti tasya vamshodbhavasya cha. One who recites these 12 names while worshipping the goddess Manasa during the puja kala will not face fear from snakes, will not have the fear for snakes. He will be courageous to face snakes. Snakes will not harm him. Here the word bhayam can also mean danger. So he will not face danger from snakes. He will be protected from snakes. Not only him, even someone who is born in his lineage will not face fear from snakes, says the Palashruti. Then it gives different situations where this stotra will give you protection. When we anticipate danger from snakes or distress due to snakes, naga bhite, when we have fear or anxiousness because of snakes, shayane, during sleep, we may have a fear that I am sleeping here in the middle of the jungle, a snake might bite me. Or naga grastecha mandire, or if you are in a place or a house that is infested by snakes, naga kshate, if one is bitten by a snake, naga durge, if a place is like a fort that is fully protected by snakes, that means a place which is occupied by snakes. In such places, or even in fierce situations like naga veshtita vigrahe, if our own body is coiled by or surrounded by snakes. In such situations, idam stotram patitva tu muchyate natra samshayah. Even in such exceptional situations, if we recite this stotra, we will be liberated. There is no doubt in this matter, says the Palashruti. And nityam patedyastam drishtva nagavargah palayate. If one recites this stotra every day, regularly, seeing him, different kinds of snakes flee. They move away from the place. That means fearing the devotee, they move away. Dashalaksha japenaiva stotra siddhir bhaven nrina. By chanting this stotra for 1,000,000 times, the stotra will start manifesting its benefits. So for the phala to manifest, for the benefit to manifest in the devotee's life with full potency, one has to chant this for 1,000,000 times. Then the perfection of the stotra will happen. Stotra siddhir bhaven. For the humans, here for the humans means for any being who chants. So to whom this stotra has become perfect, that person would be able to consume poison. That means poison will do zero harm to him after the siddhi of the stotra. Then what kind of siddhis will he show? Will he demonstrate? Or will he attain? Nagaugham bhushanam krutva sabhave nagavahanaha nagasano nagatalpo mahasiddho bhaven naraha. He will make different kinds of snakes into his ornaments. That means he will be wearing different snakes in his body, just like a normal human would happily wear ornaments. And he would be able to sit on snakes, just like Lord Mahavishnu sits on Adisesha. This Siddha can sit on snakes. Naga Asana, Naga Talpaha, he can sleep on serpents. He will become such a Mahasiddha. So he will not be fearing Nagas anymore. Nagas will work for him. Nagas will help him in multiple ways and serve him in multiple ways by the potency of this stotra, says the Palashruti. And this Mahasiddho Bhavet can also be taken in a generic way, because Goddess Manasa is a Siddha Yogini. The devotee can attain yogic siddhis also through this stotra. Thus, this stotra has been given in the Brahmavaivarta Mahapurana in the second Kanda, Prakriti Kanda. This is a conversation between Narada and Narayana, where Narada is the disciple and Narayana is the guru who teaches. This particular chapter is called Manasopakhyana, and in that chapter this is Manasa Stotradi Kathanam, means revealing the Manasa Stotra, etc. That is the name of this Adhyaya. Thank you for listening.